Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect Antigravity IDE with the MCP Unreal Engine 5.8 using the MCP servers. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Select new project, select third person as template and hit create. Okay, first thing first, I'll go here to edit, plugins, enable this plugin MCP, enable the first one and second one. Hit yes. After that, search for tool set editor, enable it, and finally search for terminal. Enable those plugins. After that, restart the level. Start now. Now, the next thing I want to do is to go here and add this command, make sure cmd here, and go add this command. Hit paste and enter. Okay, this command allows you to create the MCP JSON file that allows you to connect with Cursor, VS Code, Gemini, and Codex, and other models. After that, let's save all. Go here to Editor Preferences, search for Model Context Protocol, enable MCP. Okay, where is terminal? Okay, I think it's good. And now, let's go here to Google, search for Antigravity IDE. Okay, select Antigravity IDE and click this download button to download to your Windows machine, Linux, or if you have Mac, you can download for Mac. Okay, it started downloading right now. For me, I already downloaded this file. Let's go automatically to the folder where is Antigravity. Okay, Antigravity IDE. Double click to install it. Okay, yes, next. Create desktop icon, next, and hit install. Close Google right now and close this one. Okay, now and take this one, hit finish, and go right here, open Antigravity. Okay, to use Antigravity IDE, first thing first, let's go ahead to login. Continue with Google, use your Google account, hit sign in. Okay, open Antigravity IDE and hit next. Okay, as you can see, my Google account is connected. After that, let's connect it Antigravity with the Unreal Engine 5.8 using MCP. How to do that? You have to go here to MCP servers, manage MCP servers, Bureau config, copy this. Okay, fine. Now let's test it. Okay, tell me how many actors in this level. Let's see it works or not. Okay, it started working. As you can see, the MCP server is working. Let's open our level. Let's return here to Antigravity and let's see the work. Okay, as you can see, there are 64 actors in the current level. This is my level. As you can see, the MCP server is works. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. This is how to connect Antigravity IDE with the Unreal Engine 5.8 using MCP servers.